Hey guys, so today what I'm going to do is I am going to show you how to add pictures to your Google Classroom. So the first thing that we're going to do, and I'm going to switch it over to the overhead projector so you can see. So the first thing that you will want to do is you would want to go, and here's my computer. So I'm going to go first of all to my Google Classroom. Okay, so what I am doing is I am in Mr. Rau's Physical Science Honors 1 class. Say that I have something that I need to take a picture of. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to downsize this so it's down there, and I'm going to go back to my computer. I'm going to actually hit the button that's going to take me to my camera. So there's my camera. And so what I'm going to do is I'm deleting this picture that I just made. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my camera. I'm going to take it and put it in the tablet section or the tablet mode, okay, as you can see. And then say that I want to take a picture of this document. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to hit this button. That took my picture, okay, of what I wanted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open back up my computer so you can see it. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the picture that I took, okay? So this right here is the picture that I took. So I'm going to hit the three buttons on the side and I'm going to open it to a folder. Okay? So the first thing you'll want to do is you will want to go down to your C drive, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a folder. Okay? So if I go to new folder, it brings a new folder down at the bottom. I'm going to call this Physical Science 1. Okay? And then I'm going to hit enter. Once I get into my Physical Science 1, it didn't take me there, so let me go back down. Let me do it again. Make a folder, Physical Science 1, enter. Now I've got it. Now if I go down here and choose it, I want to make another folder, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make each week here to help me organize all of the pictures that I have to take. Okay? So I have my week 1, so I'm going to open it up, and what I'm going to do is on my computer, I'm going to right click on the bottom, and I'm going to paste on my mouse button, and I'm going to paste my picture on there. So let's go back to my picture again because it's saying it can't find it. So I'm going to go back over here again. I'm going to go back to my camera again. Here is my picture again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to open it to a folder. I'm going to go to my folder that I've gotten now, and I called it S1, PS1. I'm going to open it, and my week 1, and I am going to paste it right here. Paste. There's my picture. So now I have my picture, and I don't really like the way that it says what it is here, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to say this is my safety contract. And I'm going to put MKS because that's my initials. That way I know what it's called. It helps me out to figure out what I'm doing. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom. And I'm going to pretend this is my safety contract page. I'm going to go and hit this Add and Create. I'm going to go down to File, I'm going to go up here to upload. I'm going to hit browse. I'm going to go to my C drive, and I called it PS1, right? Physical science, there it is. Week 1, and there it is. So what I have done is I have copied it now onto my drive, from my drive to my computer, and now the only thing I have to do now is to turn it in. And then I'm going to hit the turn in button, and now it's done. So from now on, when I go somewhere to turn something in, let's go to here. Say I'm going to turn something in. File. Upload. Browse. It will always go back to the folder that I created because it can remember. I hope this helps you, and have a good day.